After a short ride down on the Zillertal Bahn train, I have found myself in Kaltenbach, one of the ski resorts that's part of the Zillertal Super Ski Pass. Short little walk now across town to the bottom of the gondola, where I am going to meet some old friends. Woo! Oh yeah!
There's definitely still some vans down over there.
Yeah. We aiming for these chairs here?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Woohoo! Yeah! Oh! Woo! Woo! Alex? Woo! Oh. Yeah! Woohoo! Woo! Yeah! We found powder on the first day here skiing near Kaltenbach. Right now we're just over on the other side in Hochvogel, so this little area they call the Hochzillertal, and I'm absolutely buzzing to say I'm here with friends from my ski season in Austria quite a few years ago. We've got Joe from Pistheads.
How's it going, guys?
He was on the live stream earlier on in this season. Then we've also got Karian, and we've also got Tom.
Tom from Pistheads.
From Pistheads. And yeah, I've been unbelievably surprised by the conditions so far. It can be a little deceiving when you're seeing all that grass in the bottom of the valley, but the snow up to the very top here, it's lovely, it's soft. The lower you get down, it's a little bit spring-like, but the sun is out and it's time for more riding.
Beautiful.
Yeah, a little crusty at the bottom here, sun crust. Oh. 3, 2, 1, let's drop, boys. Yeah! Yeah. Found you! My first impressions of this area is just how vast the ski terrain is. Obviously when you're in one single resort for such a long time, you kind of forget how a lot of the European ski areas work, where they're all connected by multiple high-speed efficient lift systems with covers and heated seats and 8 seats for capacity. And all in all, this is turning into a proper adventure today. I really didn't know what to expect, but having the first day on the mountain with these boys is proving some good fun. Woo! Oh, that's a little crusty. Oh. Oh. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Nice! After a short stop for a beer, we've made it up above 2,400 meters above sea level, and we're eyeing up some pretty gnarly terrain right now. We're looking for a big powder run to bring us back down to that chairlift there. Let me just show you what it looks like. Alright, so taking in mind some of the things that I learned from the AST1 course, we're assessing what might be the safest way to enter in down here. I don't want to go any further on that left hand side because I can see some abbey debris and there is some overhang there, but what I might do is a quick traverse with Tom and Joe here, and then stick just to the left of the barriers and then push down to the right below. Playing it safe, constantly assessing conditions, being on alert. Let's give it a go. It's a little crusty up the top. Yeah, just a little bit. There's a bit of a... Yeah, I'd try and just stick in this line here for a little bit. Yeah. I'll wave when I'm down. Woo! Woo! Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Despite these luxurious high-speed chairlifts that are synonymous with European skiing, we have had a pretty full-on day and the legs are getting pretty tired right now. This might be the final run of the day before we head back down to the valley. to get a. Hang on. Should I just stick that down the
This is
far
the first
end?
Jaeger of the season.
This is my first Jaeger of the season, and I'm really, really excited about it.
Oh, we're gonna have to send this to Kevin and Sean.
I've got one final thing to say. Okay, hang on. This is how we're going to end the video. This is my first Jägermeister of the season. It's been a long while. It's been a cracking day. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. There's a lot more of this to come over the next couple of days. So if you've enjoyed it, please like, leave a comment and subscribe. Check out Peace Heads, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey, bros! Hey. Oh, it's so
It tastes like home.
good. Yeah, it tastes like salt.